Hello everyone, welcome back to Sendal Smart QA Hub. In today's section, we are going to learn how to set the font size in the Visual Studio Code. So first, if you want to increase the overall VS Code Windows font size, simply press Ctrl plus. It is increasing the overall Windows font size. You can see that increasing entire VS Code window, including sidebar menus. To decrease the VS Code font size window, we press Ctrl minus. This will reduce the complete VS Code window font size. Now I want to set the editor font size and then terminal font size, because mainly we use two window. In the editor window where we write the code, and the terminal window we will execute the command. So let's see how to set both individually. To change the editor and terminal font size, go to view, command palette, then search for font size. Here you will see the options for editor increase and decrease font size, terminal increase and decrease the font size. If you choose increase the editor font size, only editor area will be increased. Similarly, you can adjust the terminal font size. View, command palette, font size, click on increase terminal font size. It is getting increased. So if you want to keep increase and decrease the font size, you must open the command palette, view, command palette, and then use the corresponding font size option. You can also reset the font size to default, reset the editor and reset the terminal. If you want to set your own shortcut key for increase and decrease the editor or terminal font size again, go to view, command palette, search for font size. You can see the configuration option for every option where you can set the shortcut key. Then here you can set the shortcut key, then you can use the shortcut key in the editor and terminal. Thanks for watching. See you in the next section.